Okay. Today our lesson is attract attention. Attract attention. Before we start, let's revise what we have learned yesterday. We're going to start with Ibrahim and Imad. Ibrahim. Ibrahim, unmute yourself so I can hear you.
Okay, teacher. Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
Ibrahim, yesterday we have learned about the magnet. Do you remember what is a magnet, or what is the definition of a magnet?
Yes.
Yes, tell me.
This an object.
Okay, it's an object.
That can
Yes.
put things made
Excellent.
of iron
Or
or
steel.
steel.
So, it's an object that can pull things made of iron and steel. It's an object that can pull things made of iron and steel. Excellent. Ibrahim, Bana ثوابته. Sorry. Bana Abu Saada.
Yes.
Okay, Bana. We learned about the 3 shapes of magnets. Do you remember what are they?
Yeah.
Yeah, tell me.
Bar.
The bar magnet, excellent.
Horseshoes.
Horseshoe magnet, excellent.
Ring magnet.
And ring magnet, excellent, Bana, thank you. Bashar.
Yes.
Bashar, what is a pole?
Is a place
Yes.
on a magnet where the pull is the greatest.
Excellent, Bashar. So it's a place on a magnet where the pull is the greatest. Thank you, Bashar. Hala. Hala, unmute yourself. Can you hear me, Hala?
Yes.
Okay, Hala. Do you remember how many poles a magnet have?
2.
What are they?
S and N.
The S stands for the south-seeking pole. Yes.
Yes. And the N and it's so.
The north-seeking pole. Excellent, Hala. Thank you, Hala.
Seeking pole.
Thank you, Hala.
Thank you, teacher.
Hamza.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hamza Saida. Hamza, what is the meaning of repel?
Repel means to push each other.
To push away each other. Excellent, Hamza. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Rula Tamimi.
Yes.
Rula, tell me, when do magnets repel each other? When do they push away each other?
When the same
when they have
they have the same
poles
color.
are alike. Excellent. When they are alike. For example, north with north will push away each other. South with south will push away each other. Thank you, Hala. Rula, sorry. Rital الشوا.
Yes.
Yes, Rital. Rital, what is the meaning of attract?
Attract means to pull toward something.
Excellent. It means To pull toward something. To pull toward something. Excellent, Rital.
Thank you. Teacher, I have a question.
Who are you?
Rama,
Yes, Rama.
do really people need magnets or no?
Yes, of course we need it.
Like for what?
Tomorrow, our lesson is about, oh, not tomorrow, on Sunday, we're going to learn the uses of magnet. Okay? So
Okay.
keep the question for, on Sunday, we're going to answer your question. Sanad?
MRI. What?
Sanad, don't unmute yourself. Okay? I muted you.
Okay.
For the mute. Okay, Zain Omar.
Yes.
The same concepts. Now in another game, we're going to match them together. Choose a concept and match it with its definition. Zain, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, choose a concept and match it with the definition. For example, a magnet. Which picture shows a magnet and the definition of a magnet?
Teacher?
Grade 2, please don't interrupt the class. I will cancel the meeting. Keep your mic mute. Thank you, Zain. Sanad Nazal. Grade 2, what's wrong? I just want you to match the concept with the definition.
Teacher?
Yes.
I can say that I can make one.
Who are you?
Teacher, can I?
Rita, you already did one, so give them a chance.
Read, teacher. Teacher, can I do one?
Okay, Walid,
Teacher,
do one.
the magnet with the magnet and reveal what the.
No, read the definition. A magnet, where's the definition of a magnet?
A magnet is an object that can pull things made of iron and steel.
Excellent.
Teacher, can I do one?
After Ghazal drama. Yes, Ghazal.
Yes, teacher.
Choose a concept and match it with its definition.
Repel.
Yes. Is it to pull toward something or to push away from something? Repel.
To push away something.
Excellent, yes. Thank you, Ghazal. Rama.
You're welcome.
Yes.
Yes, Rama, do one.
Attract.
Attract. What is the meaning of attract?
To pull toward something.
To pull toward something. To pull toward something.
Teacher, me.
Yes, Sanad.
Pull.
Yes.
A place on a magnet, teacher.
Where the pull is the greatest. A magnetic field, it's we're going to learn it today. It's the area surrounding a magnet where magnetic forces is felt. We're going to play it again with, we will start with Zain. Zain Omar.
Yes.
Okay, Zain. Choose a concept and match it with its definition. Come on, Zain. Zain?
Yes.
What is the meaning of to push away from something? Then you have to tell me and I will move the concept with the definition. Okay. Lamar.
Yes.
Choose a concept and match it with its definition.
Repel.
Repel means?
To push away something.
Excellent, Lamar. محمد خوالده. محمد خوالده.
Yes.
Choose a concept and match it with its definition.
Magnet.
Okay, what is the definition of a magnet?
Magnet field.
No, it's an object that can pull things made of iron or steel and steel. Thank you, Muhammad. Muhammad Taysir.
Yes,
Muhammad
teacher.
Taysir. Yes, Muhammad. Choose a definition and match it with its concept, or the opposite.
Attach.
Attract. What is the meaning of attract?
To pull towards something.
Excellent, Muhammad. And a pull, it's a place on a magnet where the pull is the greatest. Magnetic field is the area surrounding a magnet. Now we're going to watch this video. Muhammad Khawalde, tell me, can you hear the sound of the video?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Teacher, I can't hear.
I can't hear.
You do.
I can't hear.
Grade,
Teacher, I can't hear.
grade 2.
I can't
I think this is the last time that we're going to make an online class.
Magnetic fields can be tough for students to conceptualize.
Rital and only Rital, turn on your mic.
Yes.
Now can you hear the sound?
Yes.
Thank you.
But with the help of a magnet, a piece of clear glass or plastic, and iron shavings, you can be on your way to helping students better visualize the magnetic field all magnets create. Begin by placing the clear plastic or glass over a magnet. In this case, I use the cover of an old takeout tray. Carefully shake the iron filings out over the magnet and clear cover. You'll notice that as you shake, the filings will begin to arrange themselves almost magically across distinct lines. This is a result of the north and south poles of each shavings arranging themselves with the magnetic field. When done shaking.
Okay. Now I want Hiba Jarad, unmute yourself. Okay, Hiba, look at this picture here. Do you think that there's an area on the magnet where the pull is the strongest?
No.
Do you see this powder? It's an iron filing. It's iron as a powder. It's called iron filing. When they put the iron filing, it came here and here more than in the middle. Can you see it?
Yeah.
What do we call these areas, here and here? It's a place on a magnet where the pull is the strongest. What do you call it? We learned it yesterday.
So,
Poles. So the magnet have two, the north and the south. Thank you, Hiba.
thank you.
Yusur.
Yes.
Yusur, tell me, did they put something between the magnet and the iron filing, or they put the iron on the magnet?
What?
Did they put the iron filing on the magnet, or they put something made of plastic and then they added the iron filing?
Yes.
Teacher.
Sanad, what did I say? What?
We put just iron.
Sanad, you don't have to ask me if you want to go to the toilet. Excellent, Yusur. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yusuf Zaidan.
What?
Yusuf, I want you to mention 2 examples of things that can be attracted to a magnet.
Iron and steel.
Iron and steel. Tab, can you give me an example of something made of iron or steel? In our classroom, something that is very large that we use to put magnet on it. Do you remember what was it? Do you remember the eraser that we used to erase the board?
Yeah.
It had magnet, right? To stick it on the board. Thank you. Okay, now I want you to open your science book on page 400, please write the date at the top of the page. So open your science book, page 400, write the date at the top of the page.
What is the day?
Sanad, keep yourself mute. Don't unmute yourself. The date is April the 2nd.
Attract attention. A steel paper clip is attracted to a magnet. A rubber band is not. Magnets attract some things, but not others. Look at these boxes. Which things are attracted to a magnet? Which things are not?
Hiba Jarad, please turn on your mic. Did you hear the sound? Did you hear the sound now?
No.
Okay, thank you. So, a steel paper clip is attracted to a magnet. A rubber band is not. So magnets attract some things, but not others. So not everything is attracted to a magnet. Only the things that are made of iron or steel. In these boxes, you can see things that attracted to a magnet and things that are not attracted to a magnet. At home, you can try to use a magnet if you have, and see what are the things that are attracted to a magnet and what are the things that are not attracted to a magnet. And draw another example of something that a magnet attracts and something that a magnet does not attract. If you want, you can take a picture of yourself doing the experiment. Please, the one who's not muting himself, mute yourself. Okay, here in this picture, we can see a magnet. This is the magnet, and these are paper clips. The magnet is not touching the paper clips, but attract the paper clips. This is possible because of its magnetic field. The magnetic field, it's an area around the magnet where the magnetic force is felt. So at home, you can try to use a magnet and put a paper and a paper clip above the paper and try to move the paper clip using the magnet. It depends on how strong the magnet is. So if it's not a strong magnet, it's not gonna attract you through your hand. But if it's a very strong magnet, it's gonna attract things even through the hand. So you can do this experiment or this experiment and take a picture of yourself doing the experiment. If you don't have a magnet and you can do the experiment, solve these two questions and take a picture of your answers and send it back to me. So today we have learned that things that are made of steel or iron will be attracted to a magnet, and other things won't be attracted to a magnet. There is something around the magnet called a magnetic field, it's an area around the magnet where the magnetic force is felt. So the things here, the paper clips, are not touching the magnet, but a magnet is attracting them because of its magnetic field. So a magnet does not have to touch an object to move it. This is possible because of a magnetic field. What is the magnetic field? It's an area around the magnet where the magnetic force is felt. That's all for today. I hope it was clear. And thank you for watching.
Teacher.